Hey guys, what's going on? This is Matthew Ashen for MDF2 1404. This is our Project 2 review video. Let's go ahead and get started. So what I would do for this week was use the Twitter API to get your friends and then display them in a collection view. So what I did, if we go ahead and click on my app here, so what I did is I actually prompted an alert view right off the bat to let you know that your friends are going to load. So go ahead and hit Suite. And I added the activity indicator to let you know that stuff's going on. And basically what's happening is contacting the Twitter API, getting the 20 friends, and then loading them into an object, and then also building the collection view. So I did notice it does take a while for this to load, so that is why I added the activity icon and that alert, just to let the user know that stuff's happening. Wait a few more moments here, a few more moments. Just go ahead and keep on waiting. Eventually it'll come. All right, here we go. So as you can see, got the two columns of all the friends with their icon as well as their name. So if we go ahead and click on one, so click on the very top one, it brings up the detail view with just a larger icon and their username, and of course hitting back goes back. As you can see, for all the different ones. What I also added this week, wasn't necessarily in the instructions, but I thought it'd be cool to add, is a pull down to refresh. And I actually did test it, so if I went and added added someone, pulled the refresh, it does add them right into the top there. So I thought that was pretty fun and an interesting thing to add. So here, let's go over to my code. As you can see here right off the bat, I do check to see if there's an internet connection, and it'll prompt for, if there is no internet connection, you will get an alert saying that there is no internet connection. And then also here's the activity icon that I made, and then also the refresh controller. There's also a prompt with an alert view if you deny the app the use of the Twitter API, or at least denied access to the Twitter account in your settings. So I did create a method over here, which is the API call. And the reason I created it as a method rather than just right in the view to load is because when I have the refresh controller down here, no number is it? Yeah. So when it does the refresh controller, it does call the method, and so that's what actually allows it to recall everything and get any new data. And as you can see, you got the collection view down here, creating it from the array, from the object, which is this one here. And as you can see, go ahead and get the string and the image and create the option. Here's the cell, setting the name and the friend image. And here's just the very simple detail page. As you can see, the object is being brought along as a property. And then it is set. I added the @ in front of it just to show that it is their Twitter handle. So of course you gotta have that @ in front of it. So yeah, so that's my project for this week. I found it pretty easy. Once I got the object all set up, I was having a little bit of trouble remembering exactly how to get the object set up, but I was able to figure it out. And then, like I said, I went ahead and added some of those other things on there just for the user experience and just for some more practice for me. But overall, it was a great week. I'm really enjoying using the Twitter API. So yeah, I'm looking forward to next week. Again, this is Matthew Ashen for MDF2 1404. It's my Project 2 review video. See ya.